So friends, let's have a look on another very interesting question on hyperbola. If a rectangular hyperbola x minus 1 into y minus 2 equal to 4 cuts a circle x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2ay plus c equal to 0 at 4 points 5, 3, 2, 6, minus 1, 0 and 3, 4, then we have to find the value of g plus of f. Okay, and options are given in the board. Option A minus 8, option B minus 9, option C 8 and option D 9. Okay, now look how to solve this numerical. We know from the theory part that if a rectangular hyperbola cuts a circle in 4 points and the coordinate of the 4 points are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and x4, y4, then the arithmetic means of the abscissa of these 4 points, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4, is equal to the arithmetic mean of the abscissa of the center of the hyperbola and the center of the circle. Okay, clear? Similarly, for the arithmetic mean of y1, y2, y3 and y4 will be the arithmetic mean of the center of the ordinate of the center of the hyperbola and center of the circle. Okay, so look, applying this concept we can easily find this numerical. So we can assume let x1 y1 is equal to 5, 3, x2 y2 is equal to 2, 6, x3 y3 is equal to minus 1, 0 and x4 y4 is equal to 3, 4. Okay, clear? Now the center of the hyperbola is x0, y0. We can say this is equal to 1, 2 as the hyperbola given as x minus 1 into y minus 2 is equal to 4. So clearly center is at 1, 2. Okay, and center of the circle is, as the equation of the circle given as x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2ay plus c is equal to 0. So center of the circle is alpha naught, beta naught, which is nothing but minus g, minus f. Okay, clear? Now definitely by theories we can say conditionally the arithmetic mean of x1, x2, x3 and x4 will be the arithmetic mean of x0 and alpha naught. So arithmetic mean of x0 and alpha naught is x0 plus alpha naught divided by 2 is equal to arithmetic mean of x1, x2, x3 and x4, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 divided by 4. Okay, so just substituting the values of x0, alpha naught, x1, x2, x3 and x4, will get x0 as 1 and alpha naught as minus g divided by 2 is equal to the value of x1 as 5, x2 as 2, x3 as minus 1 and x4 as 3. Okay, so plus 3 divided by 4. Clear? So we can simplify this as 5 to 7 plus 3, that is 10, minus 1, that is 9. So this is 9 by 4. So we can write 1 minus g is equal to 9 by 2. That is the value of g is equal to 1 minus 9 by 2. We can say this is minus 7 by 2. Okay, so the value of g we get as minus 7 by 2. Clear? Okay, again we can say the arithmetic mean of y0 and beta naught is equal to arithmetic mean of y1, y2, y3 and y4. So y0 plus beta naught divided by 2 is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 divided by 4. Is it? So what is the value of y0? It is 2. So this is 2 and beta naught is minus f. So 2 minus f divided by 2 is equal to y1 given as 3, y2 given as 6, y3 given as 0 and y4 given as 4. So we can say y1 is 3, y2 is 6, y3 is 0, and y4 as 4. Okay, divided by 4. So if we simplify this, so this is 6 plus 4, that is 10, 10 plus 6, 13, so 13 by 4. Okay, so we can say 2 minus f is equal to 13 by 2. So from here we get f is equal to 2 minus 13 by 2, that's is equal to minus 9 by 2. So we get the value of f as minus 9 by 2. Okay, so what we need? We need the value of g plus f. So we can say z plus of f is equal to z we get as minus 7 by 2 and f we get as minus 9 by 2. So definitely minus 7 minus 9 is minus 16, minus 16 by 2 is equal to minus 8. So we get the value of g plus f as minus 8. Okay, clear? And yes, it is in option A. So option A is the correct options. So here the main important thing is, if any hyperbola cuts any circle at 4 points and the coordinate of the 4 points are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and x4, y4. Okay, and then the arithmetic mean of x1, x2, x3 and x4 is just the arithmetic mean of the abscissa of the center of hyperbola and circle, and arithmetic mean of y1, y2, y3 and y4 is the arithmetic mean of the ordinates of the center of hyperbola and the circle. So this is the main important thing. So apply this trick, we can easily solve this numerical. Okay, understand? So please remember this trick. The questions already came in different competitive exams, so the question is very important to you. Okay, now come to the next question.